Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If a real number a is bigger than or equal to 1/8, simplify the sum of two third roots. A is bigger than or equal to 1/8. This implies the numerator 8 times a minus 1 is bigger than or equal to 0. Therefore, this square root is bigger than or equal to 0. It is a real number. Similarly here, square root of 8 times a minus 1 divided by 3 is a real number, bigger than or equal to 0. How to simplify the sum of two third roots containing a parameter a inside of the third root? In general, it's not easy. Here, we will discuss a different way to define a new variable. We can easily solve this question. We just define square root of 8 times a minus 1 divided by 3 is a new variable, x. Solve this equation, we can find a in terms of x. Then we can continue to simplify the second part inside of the third root. A plus 1 divided by 3 times square root of 8 times a minus 1 divided by 3 in terms of x. This part is a plus 1 divided by 3. The last part, as we defined, is x. Continue to simplify, we have x squared plus 3 times x divided by 8 is the second part here and here. Now we are ready to replace a in terms of x. A equals 3x squared plus 1 divided by 8. The second part we have here, x squared plus 3 times x. This is x, not the power x, divided by 8, plus the third root of 3x squared plus 1 divided by 8. Here's minus x squared plus 3 times x divided by 8. Continue to simplify. We have the denominator. It's 8. 8, take the third root, is 2. We can factor 2 out. That's 1/2. Here's also 1/2. Rearrange inside part in this kind of order. From the binomial formula, we can see the inside part of the first term is 1 plus x to the power 3. The inside part of the second term is 1 minus x to the power 3. The third root and the power 3, the third root and the power 3 can be canceled each other. Therefore, we have 1/2 times 1 plus x plus 1/2 times 1 minus x. X disappeared. Plus, minus, cancel each other. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. 1 is the final answer. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.